Boy, have I got a treat for you guys today. This is a 2021 Hyundai Veloster R-Spec 1.6 turbo, 201 horsepower, 195 foot-pounds of torque in the ultra black. This is also a 6-speed manual, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, lane keep assist, and I don't know how well you can see them in the videos, but check out those lights. Super cool lighting. Very beautiful red accents along the bottom, you know, for the R-Spec. This comes with the Michelin 225/40 ZR18 Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Okay, again, this is going to be in the ultra black. Blind spot warning, lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance, upgraded infinity stereo system, dual exhaust. Again, this is the R-Spec. For all of the Veloster gurus out there, this is a very sought after Veloster. Super nice car. Again, 225/40 ZR18 Michelin Pilot Sport tires on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and kind of keep walking around. Does have your backup camera, lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance assist, and as you know, with all new Hyundais, you get a 5-year 60 bumper-to-bumper warranty. You also get the 10-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, so that's going to be your engine, your transmission, your front-wheel drive system. Beautiful disc brakes all the way around. Black aluminum alloy wheels, locking lug nuts, so you don't have to worry about somebody, quote-unquote, permanently borrowing this from you. Again, this is the 1.6 turbo, 201 horsepower, 195 foot-pounds of torque. Power windows, power locks, you know, that's your normal stuff, right? And upgraded infinity stereo system. Very beautiful yellow stitching, you know, throughout the vehicle. Now, people always ask me, man, they look so small. Well, I'm 6'4", and I fit in these just fine. Blind spot warning, lane keep assist, automatic lights, voice recognition. Also does have sport mode. Let's go into your apps here. Everything's touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've also sanitized this vehicle with the PermaSafe. As you can see there, great for control and you know, for COVID-19, things like that, germs, bacteria, things like that. It's a antimicrobial protection. Super nice vehicle. Everything's touchscreen, push button start. Again, this is your 6-speed manual, sport mode, traction assist. Very beautiful car. Love the top here. Love the beautiful yellow accents throughout. Okay. Again, voice recognition. This is a 3-door. Super nice car. Also has the Blue Link, which is super nice. You'll be able to see everything from your phone. Check on the status of your vehicle with the Blue Link, which is super nice. So again, this is Robert, the easiest way to buy a car guy, out here at McCarthy Hyundai in the beautiful Blue Springs. Let's pop the hood. Let's take a look at this. Again, this is the 1.6 turbo, and it has, there it is. There's your turbo. Everything's super easy to get to. Air filter right there. Battery. 5W30 on the oil. Windshield wiper fluid. You want to check the oil, alternator. Everything's super easy to get to. 201 horsepower right here. 195 foot-pounds of torque in the ultra black. Beautiful red accent along the bottom there. All right, guys. This is Robert out here at McCarthy Hyundai, Blue Springs. Reach out to me. She needs adopted, and she needs to be provided a good, loving home. Somebody that's gonna tint her windows dark, somebody that's gonna put, you know, a couple 12s in the back and thump around here in Blue Springs. Love the taillights. Look at those. And this is the R-Spec. A lot of people are, you know, searching for this type of vehicle. So I hope you guys have a great day. Let's go ahead and kind of pan over here a little bit. She's ready to be adopted. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.